Come on. Okay, and this is the section from the floor clean out by register 12. Coming back. So we're in the ladies' room area. You'll see lots of scale on the pipe, so it will be interesting to see what it looks like afterwards if we ever get opportunity to. I'm assuming we will. I'm assuming this will only be a slight band-aid, but we'll see.
The scaling is only a contributing factor to clogging. This
Mhm.
it's not gonna repair.
Won't get rid of the bellies, probably,
It's definitely the belly that's the biggest factor in clogging.
but yet it may not be that we have all that many bellies, because like I've said, there's times that we've pulled it back from 200 feet from here back, and it's been fine. So is it that we're holding water because of the roughness of the pipe and we're just not seeing that? And when these guys come in, they'll descale it and it'll be good. I don't know. Quite a trough right there. There's a turn for the cafe, Starbucks. It's amazing to me how much stuff stays behind. All that jetting we've done, how is it possible?
Well, everything trying to go through a rough pipe is like trying to unstick yourself from flypaper.
Yeah.